Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. This morning we're working on stripping the hull. I have a naked hull here. There's only one more thing that needs to be done to this hull before it goes into the paint shop. I need to cut a piece of G10 to the appropriate size and throw in a big pool of Cabosil and epoxy and sit that on top of it because I'm going to screw my turn fin into this sponson, and I don't know how thick this is. So I'm going to add just a little bit more thickness because I don't want the screws sticking out where they can make contact with the batteries. That would be a bad thing. So I want screws and batteries not to even, be in the same room. They shouldn't be in the same room. One of the things, if you're building a Speedmaster equipped boat, you got to be careful of when you're painting it. This is unsupported. I'm half tempted to just leave the strut on until I'm ready to paint it and then pull it off. I may go back and do that just as a safety measure, because if this gets bumped, everything's ruined. So I think I will do that as a safety measure and only remove it when it's time for paint. I did put in a water pickup, so the Gazinta is here and it'll go over to here, up to the speed control, up to the motor, around the motor, and out the side here. I guess that should do it. I'll put that strut back on just because that's dangerous. Oh, why don't I have the turn fin on? Because I don't have a bracket for it. And I was going to use this, but this isn't quite big enough. So I ordered another piece of aluminum like this, except this dimension is 2 inches and this dimension is 6 inches. That will give me more than enough to cut out a fin mount that will hold that fin and have a wide enough footprint here that it can handle the loads and enough meat back there to support it all. So there you go. I don't want to paint it until I get this in, and I don't want to get this in until I have a good handle, on where this is going to go. And I have a pretty good idea because there's only that much real estate to deal with. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.